Hey, hello. Today is Saturday. It is Labor Day weekend. I have been cleaning up, you know, cooking, doing my usual Saturday day off type day. And I made some chicken mole, so I'll show you guys little clips of that. Roma is working today, so he should be off here pretty soon. I think it's like 5 o'clock. I'm just waiting for him to get off so we can eat because I'm starving. But as soon as he gets off, I will pick you guys back up and show you guys what we're having for dinner.
There's a chicken enchilada casserole right here. I'm about to devour it. I'll probably eat like half of it like this. Yeah. That's just the appetizer for me.
Check it, check it, check it. Yeah.
Cheers. A little bit of light daisy. Yep. Just what we needed. Wow. The sauce is good. I'll link the recipe down below. Shout out to Cooking con Claudia.
Who's that?
The recipe. I got it from her. From her YouTube.
No, this is not authentic. This is not original.
What do you mean? It's...
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
It's from scratch.
You copied.
What? I followed a recipe, yes. Still from scratch. We're gonna enjoy our meal. Cheers.
Alright, I do not condone of this. This does not fit the macros, alright? But, I'm gonna have a bite. Way fluffier.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
It's good, huh? Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Yeah.
Banana chocolate.
Yeah, banana and chocolate. Cacao. Sugar-free
Zero
cacao.
sugar. Zero sugar muffins right here.
Sugar-free cacao with banana and just a little bit of honey.
Yup, these
Instead
are 5.
of sugar.
These are 5. Some milky?
He needs some milk.
I thought you were gonna eat the whole thing.
No, you can't eat it all.
Oh.
Go ahead.
They're fluffier this time.
Yep.
Last time I tried to make them without butter.
Yep. Super
But
fluffy.
Made them with grass-fed butter this time. Was really good.
We still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. For Giovanni.
Cheers.
The next day.
Okay, good morning. It is Sunday. We are up and ready for the day. We're about to hit our workout and make a smoothie. Good morning.
I'm gonna hit this gym workout.
For the gains.
Alright.
We
I'm gonna
got
show you guys how to make my protein smoothie.
Yeah, we got this fruit from Costco. It has passion fruit and
It's called the dragon fruit
Dragon
passion
fruit.
fruit blend.
I think it's supposed to be for acai bowls, but it should be good for a smoothie too. Right.
Alright, we got this ISO Pure, you know, I just got it for the gains.
Yeah.
Got it from Costco. Pure protein,
So-
no sugar, no carbs, nothing like that. Alright.
Okay, so
carb diet.
put 2 maybe for me and you.
We'll do 2.
Okay.
Little
2
2 scoops.
because we're gonna share. We're gonna share it.
Little 2 scoops for the gains, please.
Yeah.
Alright.
Peptides.
Collagen peptides, another 20 grams of protein, by the way. Alright. But this is for the hair and the nails. Alright. So you gotta be healthy.
Yeah, it's hair, skin, and nails.
Yeah. You gotta be healthy. 1 scoop, 2 scoop.
Let's just do 1 of that.
Nah, let's do 2.
Let's do 2. It's not gonna be too powdery.
Nah, it's good.
We should have put the water first.
Ooh, this one smells kind
It's
of
gonna
weird.
stick to the bottom. Does that have a flavor? I don't think.
Smells kind of weird though.
I don't know if that has a flavor.
Alright.
And then, do you want to add creatine?
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna add some creatine monohydrates. Okay. I don't know what brand this is, but still works.
It works.
Alright.
I forget where we got that one from.
Another 2 scoops of this.
You know when you get subs and then you just forget to take them? Now we're taking everything.
Yeah.
We're on
I
our
fell
grind.
off my sub game. I'm back on it, you know, because I'm trying to get swole again. COVID, you know, sent me back a few years, but we're good.
Let's put a good winter coat on of muscles
Yeah.
and then cut again. Whoa, that's a lot of powder. It is for us too though. Okay, fine. It's alright. Water for the both of us. And let's put it to blend.
Okay.
Cheers.
He's mad at me now. Chivo! Hi!
Ooh, it smells like asshole in here, Giovanni.
Shut the fuck up.
God damn. Workout complete. 30 minutes of cardio done. Now we can eat.
Tanzos.
Yeah.
I got the Niño Pobre, which is empanizados.
You know me, I had to go big or go home.
The bistec sandwich,
Pay the price too much.
large fries. And we got the ponche, which is fire. Yeah, the fries are really fresh. Bomb. We're gonna enjoy.
You have to get the sauce too.
And can't forget the pink, half pink, half white sauce.
Legit fried.
It's so good. Soul food.
Soul food.
Delicious. Puerto Rican cuisine. Best I've ever had.